Hi, this is Bill. On this demo, I'll be discussing about UI policies. So to navigate there, so under the application navigator search, so since it's keyword driven and I just type UI policy, so let us finish that. Then anything which is related to UI policies will come out, right? So basically, mobile UI policies, catalog UI policies, and so on are different things, right? The behavior is similar, right? So I'll have another demo to discuss those feature set. Right now, the UI policies, what it does, it controls the behavior of the front end, right? So let us drill down, right? So you can see here, it's the naming convention is to hide, right? So what is it hiding, right? So, or basically, or to set read only. So let's get something simpler, right? So as I drill down, it will show you what the UI policy is capable of, right? So everything would start, of course, again, on a table, right? So let's make sure we are on the right application scope. So as I click this one, right? So, okay. So you will see here which table, right? A short description, when to apply if you have any conditions, right? And basically the action, right? So you have field name table. What does it do? Leave it alone. And is it read only and so on, right? So basically it manages to control a specific view is if it's visible, not visible. So let's create a new one, right? So for simplicity, so let's say the most famous module is the incident, right? So let's drill down and type in incident, right? And as we type in incident, so did I misspell it? I feel like I misspelled it. So table incident. So I think there's some slowness. Let's do that again. So incident. Right. So let's basically wait for it to load before we move forward. So let us make sure we are on the correct scope. So right now we on under universal request. So let's move forward to change it to correct scope where we will have access on. So now we are under global. So there's quite a few modules under global. So under global is basically where you could control on the scope where you will have access on, right? So we change application scope to global, right? To make sure we have access to the incident table. So now we are at the incident table, right? So we have a sample description, right? And as we move down, right, and basically you will see here what's the behavior is on load, when to apply. So let's save it first. And after saving, a few capabilities or features that will appear. So it will allow us to basically control the behavior of the front end, right? So let's scroll down and let's move to the right and create a new one. And what will be the actions after that condition? So you will see that on the field name, right, you get to choose any field, right? So let's choose one, and you could make it, is it going to be mandatory? Is it visible or not, or read only, right? So basically that's a UI policy. It's making sure that you could manage the field specifically and with what will be its behavior, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it. And let's um, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.